So I'm gonna show you guys how to go through how to determine what lashes are for what and what the diameter of the lashes mean, how to measure them. Okay, open my notes.
Okay.
Okay, so I've made this for you guys, I've broken it down. So up on top you see this is classic versus volume. So we're gonna do, okay, we go from the thinnest to the medium size to the thickest lashes. So we're starting from thinnest to thickest. Okay, on the thinnest side, underneath thinnest, those lashes are usually used for mega volume. So if you go under there, you could see that lash diameter is measured in 0.03. So that's directly underneath the mega volume. That's what that lash is for. Also, mega volume can be a 0.05, which is why it's also underneath that category for mega volume. If you go to the next category, it's just regular volume. So it's usually 0.07, although 0.05 can also be included in regular volume. Okay, and in a little bit I'm going to show you how many lashes can be used with that particular diameter. Okay, next category, it would be medium size lashes, would be used for light volume. That's the LTV, light volume, or classic. So that means that particular lash can be used either in a light volume set, like meaning 2 or 3D, or it could be a classic set meaning 1D only. Okay, in the next category we're going the thickest category. So these thick lashes are going to be for classic only. The lashes that fall under that category is 0.12, 0.15, 0.18, and 0.20. Underneath there, you're gonna see like these little emojis that I put, so it just helps you remember what lashes are gonna be good to use. The 0.12 for classic lashes are super, like you get the hearts, right? Next to that one, a 0.15 is also good, okay, because most people's lashes are healthy enough to sustain that particular those two lashes for a classic set. Okay, that's why they're gonna be your favorites. The one next to it is a 0.18. That one's questionable. Only some people have very strong natural lashes that they can handle a 0.18. If you're gonna use a 0.20, that's where I have the death face. Okay, that's not good. Don't use it. It's we don't do that because it's too thick and too heavy. Okay, so now let's go back to the fourth line. So actually the third line. Okay, 0.03. We're going back to the mega volume side. Okay, the thinnest lashes. 0.03 lash, if you go straight down, it's going to tell you what you could do with that particular lash. So with a 0.03, you can do a 1D to 19D, meaning the D means the dimension, right? So 1D to 19D, you could choose to do a classic set in a 0.03 thin, super thin lash, but probably you're not going to choose to do that because it's so thin. But you have the option to do that if you wanted to. And you could extend it all the way up to 19 lashes. 19 lashes in one fan put on one natural lash. The next one is a 0.05. What can we do with the 0.05? You can do 1D and you can go all the way up to a 10D. So you can make a fan of 10 lashes with a 0.05 and you could place it on one natural lash. Okay? That's the max for that lash. Okay, the 0.07, that one you can, if you look beneath it or underneath, you could use it for 1D to 6D. Okay, the one next to that one, it's for light volume classic, a 0.10. What can you do with that lash? If you go straight down, you can do 1D to 4D. Some people say 3D. I say okay, 3 or 4D is fine. Okay. Okay, next, on the thicker lashes, they're always only 1D. 1D only. All of those, the 0.12, 0.15, 0.18, 0.20, all those are always going to be classic only, 1D only. Okay, so has a little note on the bottom right here. It says larger number. The D stands for the dimension. So the larger number, the 19, like let's say the 19D. That one indicates a max capacity for the diameter, for that diameter, and it's only to be used on extremely healthy natural lash. Okay, the number dimension depends on client's natural lash strength capacity. Always going to depend on the client's natural lash strength capacity. Okay, normally only people with extremely healthy natural lashes could sustain a 19D in a 0.03, or a 10D in 0.05, or a 6D in 0.07, or a 4D in 0.10. Just keep that in mind. Normally, if you were to measure a person's natural lash, they would fall under the category of their measurement would be somewhere between 0.05 and a 0.07. They're natural lashes. Okay, now that's why I have those two in parentheses. If you were to skip over or move over, that's why the 0.12 and the 0.15 would be suitable for those lashes. That's why those are going to be your favorites. I hope I explained this. I'm going to go over it in class again, but this is just a little bit of a breakdown so you guys can have an idea, and I'm sorry if I lost any of you. I promise you I will be answering all of the questions you guys have, and we're going to, in class, I'm going to teach you how to convert these classic thicker lashes into volume. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.